So we have this deck here that's been here for a while, and I think it's starting to sag, so we're gonna remove it for safety reasons and gonna build back something a little more stout. We dug most of the holes using the excavator, and then we use the excavator to lower the stamper into the holes to compact the soil underneath the new footings we're going to put out. As you can see here, this is the we decided to go with 3 footers across the face and in the back. So this is just the front, and it's showing the sonotubes, which are 12 inches, and then there's like 36-inch bases that go underneath that in the ground. We also put rebar in each one of the supports, and we use the string line to line up and get those all lined up for the post. You can just see a closer view of the hole with the base in there. Here's what it looks like when we strip the sonotubes off, and then of course that'll get backfilled. Here you can see we use the LVL board just to line up the brackets while they were sitting in the concrete. Or I'm sorry, that's not the beam that goes in there. That's just, we use that LVL just to line up that. Here's the excavator on the hillside, and we were backfilling where we had the supports, or the post. And here's the initial framing where you can see the supports, the braces. We haven't quite finished the blocking yet, and we started installing the railing post. Here you can see, even though the LVL is waterproof and supposed to be waterproof, we put the tape on the top to prevent rotting. Kind of overkill, but you know, when you spend that much money on a deck, you just do it. Here you can see that this LVL isn't regular. It's the PWT, which is waterproof and it gives you a warranty of like 20 or 25 years, something like that. Amazing stuff, and it's also, the deck was incredibly level. It saved time from not crowning all the joists. Now here's the deck was just almost done on the top with the Trex, and you can see the railing supports are there. The railing post supports are there. Here you can see we put the railing up. It's actually the Trex system railing, and it wasn't that hard to install. They had sleeves that went over the wood post, and then caps that went on top of that. Little trim pieces around where it meets the deck, and then he's just filling the spindles. Relatively easy system to install. And this is the finished deck, where you can see that we decided to save money and not do a fascia board on the outside. That could change. The homeowner can decide if he wants to install that, but that can be installed at any time. We put the decking so it overlapped the edge so that he can do so. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.